Welcome to our channel. Today, we are starting a brand new video series, where we will learn everything about communication skills, step by step. I have divided this entire course into 10 chapters, and each chapter contains 10 powerful points that will help you transform the way you speak, listen, and connect with people. Every day, at this same time, you will receive one new video, where we will learn one chapter at a comfortable, steady pace. So stay connected, keep learning, and make sure you don't miss any lesson in this complete communication skills journey. Why communication is important. But before we begin, let's understand something very important. Why is communication such a powerful skill? Because communication builds confidence. Because communication helps you express your ideas clearly. Because communication improves your relationships. And because communication gives you a strong advantage in your studies, your career, and your personal life. When you learn communication, you learn a skill that strengthens every part of your life. Your personal growth, your emotional intelligence, your social presence, and your professional success. Good communication can open doors. It can build trust. It can reduce misunderstandings. And it can help you influence and inspire people. That is why this skill is essential for everyone. Transition to today's chapter. So, without wasting any time, let's begin chapter 1.1. Today, we will learn one of the most important foundations of communication. We will understand how clarity, intention, and structure form the base of every excellent communicator. And the first point is this: communication is both verbal and non-verbal. Chapter 1.1. Communication is both verbal and non-verbal. Most people believe communication is only about speaking words. But the truth is, words are only a small part of communication. How you speak, how you move, how you look at people, and even how you stay silent. All of these communicate something powerful. So communication has two major forms: verbal communication and non-verbal communication. Verbal communication. Verbal communication is everything expressed through words, whether spoken or written. Talking to a friend, giving a presentation, explaining an idea, sending a message, writing an email, or recording a voiceover. All of this is verbal communication. Verbal communication uses language, structure, grammar, and vocabulary to share information clearly and directly. Non-verbal communication. Now let's move to non-verbal communication. The silent language that speaks louder than words. Non-verbal communication includes your body language, your posture, your gestures, your eye contact, your facial expressions, your tone of voice, your speed, your pauses, even your silence. A smile can show warmth. Crossed arms can show defensiveness. Avoiding eye contact can show nervousness. A nod can show agreement. Leaning forward shows interest. Leaning back shows disconnection. And standing tall shows confidence. All without speaking a single word. The 5-5-3-8 7 principle. There is a powerful psychology principle called the 55-38-7 rule. It says, 55% of communication comes from body language, 38% comes from tone and voice, and only 7% comes from actual words. This means, your body speaks louder than your mouth. A short story to understand this. Imagine a person walking into a room. Their shoulders are tight. Their eyes keep moving. Their hands shake slightly. And they avoid eye contact. Even without speaking, you already understand they are nervous. Now imagine another person entering the room. They walk calmly. Keep gentle eye contact. Smile softly. Stand straight. And take a slow, confident breath. Again. Without speaking, you understand they are confident. This is the power of non-verbal communication. It reveals the truth, even when words hide it. Why you must master both? When you understand that communication is both verbal and non-verbal, you begin improving both what you say and how you say it. You speak clearly. You choose better words. You maintain confidence through your body language. And your tone matches your message. Your communication becomes complete, powerful, and effective. Practical everyday examples. In a job interview, you may say I'm confident, but if you avoid eye contact, the interviewer won't believe you. In a relationship, you may say I'm listening, but if you look at your phone, your partner feels ignored. In public speaking, words give the meaning, but gestures bring the meaning to life. In the workplace, a calm tone can prevent conflict, even when the message is strong. How to improve both forms? Speak slowly. Use meaningful words. Maintain eye contact. Relax your shoulders. Stand tall. Use natural gestures. Pause between sentences. And make sure your tone supports your message. Final message. Communication is not just what you say. It is how you say it. And how you express yourself. Even without words. Master both forms of communication, verbal and non-verbal. And you will become a confident, powerful, and effective communicator. Thank you for watching today's lesson. This was Chapter 1.1. Stay connected. Keep learning. And we will continue tomorrow with the next point. Thank you so much.